The 900XL3 has all the rugged durability of the original series, but it's more compact, a shorter lay length, and we've added features for repairability. We took a lot of the complexity out of it, and we just made a product that works.
We incorporated all of the best features of our legacy products that people love into this one, and in fact made improvements. In the end, the customer's getting a higher quality product.
I'd say overall the price point and the compact size are upfront the top benefits of the product.
One thing that's going to be very different to a lot of backflow testers is the single check cover. A lot of people look at it and they go, is that a single check? Oh, there's 2 checks in there. They're stacked. Oh, great. And then they realize, yeah, we really have reinvented the backflow.
The 900XL3 incorporates 2 check valves that are actually attached to each other. So it's a single cartridge unit that is removed and installed in one step.
Rather than contractors spending an hour in the field working on a product, they can simply swap out checks with this easy swap check technology and restore a valve to working within minutes.
But we also have rubber repair kits if you just want to get in and change the rubber and save on cost. So there's a lot of different options.
The 900XL3 has test cocks all along the center line of the valve. This means that no matter in which orientation the valve is installed, a tester or a maintainer can access the test cocks to perform a test and check its status.
The 900XL3 has the shortest lay length of any all-bronze backflow on the market. That really helps with installation versatility.
We use the highest quality bronze. It is low lead, so it meets safe drinking water standards, and it is corrosion resistant.
So backflow is really a life safety product. It's protecting the water against back siphonage and back pressure, and it's what really keeps our drinking water safe. And because of that, there's extensive testing. The 900XL3 was tested for multiple years in the lab, in the field, through a lot of different conditions so that we can prove out its durability and longevity.
We really utilized state-of-the-art technology to help us design it. 3D printing, computational fluid dynamics, finite element analysis, all of that really sped up the development process and actually helped us optimize this design. There was a lot of excitement about the 900XL3. We are getting great feedback. People want it now.
I know that this new 900XL3 series backflow prevention assembly is going to solve some problems for our customers in the field.
We've checked all the boxes. We are here with this new one. It feels great to see all the hard work that my team put into this valve really come to fruition.